Yeah, haven't really filmed much in the last 2 weeks. We've been really busy, which is good, but the weather's also been a bit iffy, so we've not really been doing much outside jobs. We've sort of got on top of that quite early on, I suppose. So the last sort of 3 weeks or so, it's just been really steady, good numbers coming in every day. Yeah, so this week the weather's looking hopefully to warm up a little bit and improve. So we're going to try and crack on with some outside jobs. Spent a decent amount of time down here getting all the curb edges cleaned up. I've got like a wind tunnel in here, I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, we've just cleaned all the way up here, both edges all the way. There's a lot of weeds growing and stuff, so just makes the entrance look a bit more appealing. So yeah, it's greening up a bit as well now. We're getting some nice tree greenage happening. Yeah, the site is looking greener and lush now because we've had a lot of rain and the sun is finally shining. But yeah, back to it. Do the usual, empty the bins, get ready for check-in. This area here is just full of weeds, so we've just scalped it back. Got some nice wildflowers to put in, and then we'll top dress this, and hopefully in a couple of months we'll have a bit more of a prettier area for all the pollinators and the butterflies. It's not so bad through here. Like we're on damage limitation mode again. It has rained all day since about 5 a.m. It's now nearly 4:30, I think, and it's just easing off now. It's just been constant. So we've got water in places that we don't usually have water. Puddles everywhere. The grass is saturated, so we're doing a bit of moving about again to try and keep people off the sensitive areas. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow it's a dry one. Might be pulling some people out there in the morning. So wish us luck. Busy again tonight. We've got about 60 in again. So the lead up to the bank holiday seems to be picking up again. Pleased to say, since we had those two main blockages down at the service point, we haven't had one since. So I think the daily rinsing helps. Temps are really bringing up the grass now, but I'm hoping somewhere underneath this is some new grass. Oh, it's happening, it's happening. Very good. These trees make a hell of a mess. So I need to come down here and hoover all this up, I think. Stuff everywhere. The weeds really like this spot. So we're gonna have to pull all these sheets up and get it all trimmed back, and then we'll cover it up again and just give this grass a fighting chance. It's gonna be warm this week, so yeah. I did put some down here as well, but you can see the weeds are already coming through. Threw a bit of wildflower in there as well, so we'll see what happens to that in a couple of months. This machine is amazing. The color of the water this thing produces is kind of disgusting, but it's just foot traffic through the reception. Rechargeable. Stores all the dirty water in here. Let's see if we can get this out. Got this little thing. Oh, dropped it. Get that out of there. This little vacuum thing. So yeah, it scrubs the floor, hoovers up the muck, and then you just put a bit of floor cleaner in it, and then Oh, lovely. So yeah, with a bit of rain and mucky boots, in and out of the reception, this is what you're ended up with. It's looking like another gorgeous day. Just like a few days of warm temp and my grass is coming through now. So I'm gonna get all this uncovered, dry it off. I'm just gonna give it a high cut and see what we're looking like and see whether or not we can leave the netting off maybe. But we'll see. It might just be a little bit bare in the gaps still, so we'll have a look at it. Maybe keeping it off might be beneficial now, because it is warming up. We're into the teens Celsius now, what, 14, 15, which is good. So we'll pull all the stakes out and get the mesh back and have a look. There you go, got fresh grass seed coming through now. Still very, very small there, so I'm just gonna go lightly through with the hand mower on the highest cut, just to knock some of this longer stuff that was pre-existing down. But we'll still fence this bit off just while it grows in a bit more for a couple more weeks, I think. There you go, these are the tyre tracks. This is all the new stuff coming through, so that will fill in. But it's just been so cold. I mean, we're nearly at the end of May. It's only just got into the teen temperatures, so it's no wonder this grass seed didn't take straight away. But yeah, a couple of mows, a couple more weeks, and this will look like the rest of it, which is looking really good at the minute. So these areas down by the facilities building are coming in nicely too. Just uncovered those. The air coming off of these is freezing because it's heat pump, but yeah, we're getting lots of new growth here, so I might have to just recover this section. I'll maybe cut that back edge and then cover it back up. I might throw a bit extra seed down as well. It's looking good. This area over here coming in much better. It's a little bare on that top bit there, but it'll come in. Down here, mostly weeds, but there is grass growing, so we'll trim all these weeds back and give the grass a fighting chance. Need to do this bit. This is where everybody walks, and it's just mud. And then yeah, this is growing nice in here as well, so we'll cut this back down and give the new seedlings the best chance. It's looking good though. This section was wrecked by the rabbits, so we'll pull this out and have a look at this now. Yeah, you see, it's not done the best over here, but we can try again. Now it's warmed up, it might come back, you never know. Might just need a little longer down here. And get the seed, a bit more soil, cut this short, soil it up and reseed, and it'll come through. It will happen. Everyone's checking out, it's a beautiful morning. Rain this morning, but it's looking good for the rest of the day, so we'll hopefully get some of these outside jobs done today. Oh no, the baby seagull strikes again. Another nice morning. Just going to do a condition check on the facilities. Everything good down there. And it's been pretty dry, so nobody's traipsing mud about or anything like that at the minute, which is good. It's looking good. Got to get some grass cut today. We are full this weekend for 3 days. So that's all the grass cut today. Did a bit yesterday, but the rest of it was a little. We had a few people staying over last night, so didn't get it all done. But today got all the trimming done, cleaned all the edges and the curbs, and then cut the rest of the grass, and it's looking really good. We'll show you some of that now. Got the entrance all trimmed up, looking green, looking lush. There we go, we're filling up slowly. Grass is looking good, weather's holding off, so let's hope it stays dry for the weekend. There's the Billy boy, I can see him. Hello. Oh, he's got himself stuck. Oh, what you doing, Billy? What you doing, Billy? What you doing? What you doing? Oh. I'll come untangle you, shall I? And just like that, we are completely empty again, apart from a couple. Got a couple staying, but yeah, fully booked again tonight for the bank holiday Monday. Bins are out. Time to do the recycling and stuff around the site, and then start all over again with the mad, just constant check-ins. It's pretty full on when you've got people turning up. It's literally every minute someone's rocking up. It's what it seems like. So yeah, we'll get sorted, get reset, just doing my rounds, making sure everybody's parked properly. We are full tonight, so it needs to be right for many reasons, fire safety being one of the main ones. So everything seems good so far. I've still got about 60 plus people to arrive this afternoon, so yeah, they're coming in thick and fast. Pizza truck's in again. Beauty. Pizza 2 days in a row, why not?
Thank you for watching this week's video. I know it's been a little while since the last video came out, so we're sorry to the locals who have been asking when the next video was coming. We always appreciate you for staying tuned in. It's been a super busy month and an exciting one, and it wouldn't have been possible without the team alongside us. So thank you to them. It's the main reason we get to go enjoy our evenings and head out on our adventures.